What's going on, everybody? DIY Trucking Live. I want to show you something quick here in International LT. The ESPAR Bunk Heater. It can be in any truck, not only International LT. It can be in Freightliner, Kenworth, any truck. Right now, the heater is on, like you see, the green button. After 10 minutes of running, it will shut down and it will say low voltage. It worked for less than 10 minutes and see what happened here. Red light came on. It's a heater, enabled low voltage, 2.6. A lot of people don't know about this button here. That's the bunk heater setting button. Bring your fire clip or anything. You see that hole, that pinhole right there? Push that. And once start flashing, just hit the button power right there. Hold, it says maintenance mode. Fire V30524. Memory test, please wait. Memory test, okay. Diagnose line, okay. We don't want that. Diagnose now. No, it's working good. Okay, it says run time 490:58. Clear hours, yes, no, no. Current settings, low voltage 22.0, run 10 hours. Change settings, yes. Maintenance, I put 2000. Okay. 12 volt, under volt, shutdown less than 12.4. I put on 11.4. This is, it can go lower. It can go till 12 point minus 12.6 or 12.2. It's coming from the manufacturer, I think, like that. But I'm gonna set it on 11.4. More. Max run time 11 hours. I'll put it 13 hours or 14. Okay. And then Fahrenheit or Celsius, of course. Fahrenheit, ready. Heater stop, temp sets. Once you get the setting done, turn your heater and it will not shut down till the battery voltage reaches to the voltage that you have it set. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks all.